There's some spikies down there. So I'm gonna use him to draw a box. Can I draw 2 boxes? Yes, I can. Alrighty. That solves that problem. And we're gonna try to avoid it all together by doing that. More spiky things. I'm gonna use these to block the spiky things so I don't hit them. So they're giving you things in the environment, and you just have to use your imagination to figure out what you're supposed to do to get past those challenges. So yeah, just pay attention and use things that are in the space. So if you're designing a puzzle game, you want to think about what are things that I can put in the environment to help them solve this problem. So if you pay attention, they are using their environmental design is very thoughtful and it's wondrous. They have all these glowing lights, this adventurous music. All of these things are working together to create a mood. And so it's very important to pay attention to these things and to create a very delightful and compelling game for people. The environment is very well thought out here. You shouldn't spend so much time on your environmental design that you neglect the UX. You want them all. You want as best on all of those things. In XR, even a lower quality environmental design is convincing. But of course, you do want that goal of having all of these things work together in a well-polished, well-thought-out game.